Hi, my name is Sam and today let us learn something new in JavaScript. As this is my first explanation video, and as a student of Code Your Career I am feeling thankful for the opportunity to feature in their students' portfolio videos. Today let's learn how destructuring in objects and arrays in JavaScript. First let's take object destructuring. I have created a constant called person and assigned name and age to it. And as you can see when I am console logging the parameter, I am getting the name and age respectively. So basically an object destructuring is an expression which allows us to access the data from objects like arrays, objects, maps and assign it to new variables. Through this object destructuring, we can create variables easily from the object's properties. Now quickly let's see array destructuring. Here I have created an array called numbers and assigned values to it. By saying array destructuring JavaScript, we do not mean to destroy the array, but it means to break the array into simple fragments which can be used to assign a new variable. I hope you understood the basics here and will meet you with many more easy tutorials in coming days. Thank you.